So we're gonna get the race team in today. I'll show you how we get them in with the trusty whistle, and then I'll let the meeting give you a look at the boards later. Come on. 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 That's it. Come on. Come on. That's it. Come on. That's it. Come on. Oh, he's not winning. A couple of strayers tonight on the roof, mixing in with the boards. Training well. We're going this Saturday. We're flying back from Pilmore Beach in Co.cork, 120 mile. I have a couple of boards picked out for us, so I'll show you the boards that I have picked out. Really nice. Come on. haven't split the young birds yet, they're still all mixed in cocks and hens. I haven't really put up any boxes yet, the loft isn't ready for them. So they're all just still racing. I'm going to split them up when they're finished racing. It's great to have them on the whistle though. Start them off when they're really young, hand feeding them. Get them eating out of hand before you let them in. Try not to keep them in for too long. So as soon as they're out of the nest, start hand feeding them. And then you get them trained to the whistle. So before you put the food down, blow the whistle, make sure they all come down to the floor, and then feed them, and then they'll crack. They'll all sit up and perch happily. There's nothing in the water, it's just a plain drinking water for now. I did have them on a tonic yesterday for molting. You seem happy. Get a few boards, and first I'm going to tidy up the feeder, and then I'll get you a few boards and show you a few boards that are going racing this weekend. So I'll show you a couple of boards that are going racing for definitely this weekend. This mealy, she's a full lambrick, bred from a friend of mine as a present this year. She's not molting too heavy around the face anymore. She's coming up on her flight there. It's 2/3 of the way up, so she'll be alright for racing. She's a lovely hen. She raced very well this year for me. This is a cock board that I bred myself. He looks good to go. Again, he'd be more distance zone. I was hoping to probably send him over to Talbot from Wales. It's only about 120 miles, see how it goes. This is a firstborn pigeon I bred from Jensen and a distance board as a present, but I'm not too sure of the breed of the distance board. It was a present from when I first started up, and she's really nice, really nice. She's the first pigeon I ever bred myself. But yeah, she's going 120 miles to Pilmore Beach, Co.cork this week. So good hopes for her. This one still a bit heavy in the mouth. I don't think I'm going to send him, but he raced very well as a young bird before he started mounting for me this year. He's just a bit too much mounting for her, so I'm going to keep holding him back. Where is he going? This is a board, a distance board. It's bred. It's crossed in with Jensen hen, distance cock. Well, it's our middle distance. He's nice though. He's in good nick, but I think he's just a little bit too molten around the face to send him, because you don't like the wind in that face. So I'm not going to send him. This is a nice cocker bred as well this year from 2 distance boards. He's going to Pilmore Beach as well. He's just about coming out of the mouth, so I'm happy to send him. Nice board. I'll show you my favourite pigeon. This would be my favourite. She's great. She's bred from 2 Jensens. She always has great condition in the loft. Never looks a day out of a bad feather. She'd be one of me probably best birds. I was going to send her to Wales and Talbany, but I'm going to hold her back. Hopefully she'll fly better as an old bird for me. So I'm just going to send her down to Pilmore Beach because she's a cool hen. She's really nice. If you can just see her eye. She has the famous Jansen eye with the blue going in it. It's lovely. She's a really nice hen though. Really nice. I'll show you 1 or 2 others. This is a bird I bred. Definitely not going racing, anyway, too heavy mountain. This is from a Lambrick cross Susan. Again, definitely not going racing, mountain too heavy. Nice pigeon though. I think this is a full Jensen as well, if I'm not mistaken. I'll tell you now. 9.5, yeah, this is a full Jensen. Definitely, she's going down to Pilmore Beach as well. Very good bird. She was my 2nd pigeon from Castletown a couple of weeks ago, 150 miles. So yeah, I'm gonna send her as well, or him. Sorry, I think he's a cock. I think. So let's see. No, actually no, it's a hen. Sorry. Let's go. This pigeon was a present from a man, a good friend of the family. He's a little bit disappointed I can't race him, but he's a full Susan. Great bird for the headwind. They'll win on a hard day when nothing else will. But he's just mounting too heavy to send, and I wouldn't like to lose him because I know he'll be a better old bird for next year. His wing is okay. He's a lovely wing, strong bird, really strong in hand. But he actually really doesn't like being handled. But we'll see. Yeah, it's a pity we can't send him because of the cracker. That's it really. There's a few more I could show you, but say we'll do that in the next video. But yeah, Gear the Board's gone racing this weekend. Some of them are not again, as I said. But we'll do a video of the race day on Saturday, and we'll see how we get on. Hopefully we get them all home. I'm really only sending them because all my boards are natural. I'm really only sending them to have them for next year. This is a pigeon here that I haven't trained on. It was a present as a we sort of got them late in the season, so I'm holding on to them for next year. They're bred from a club member. I don't really know what they're bred from. He will tell me. He said he will send me on the details, but I'm just training them and loft flying for the moment. Really nice pigeon though. Really nice pigeon. Yes, that's it really. I'm going to do a video on my stock boards and show you a few young ones in the next one. But AC Bros, like, subscribe, and we'll keep going. I'll try to do little diary entries as much as I can.